Okay, we did the blackvue camera, and there's Mercedes. This is where we mounted the camera. And then as far as the back camera, it's right there on the top. Basically what this does is while the customer is driving, while the owner of the car is driving, it's filming 24/7, and he's able to, you know, if on the app on his phone, if he lends the car out, this thing hooks up to the Wi-Fi of the car. So from his app, he can log in and live and see where the vehicle is at. He can see the street while the car is driving. You can see the map. It tells you how fast the car is going, where it's moving. It's a pretty good safety device for you know, accidents. And if you're an Uber driver and you want to record 24/7, your clients in the back, I don't think it would be a bad idea to have. This was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Launch Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. We'll give you a little demo how it works. Where are you actually going to get live view? Actually, because mostly all GPSs, they work, you know, they pin the cookie trail every 2 minutes. But where are you going to get live view that you can actually see this thing moving step by step and the speed that the guy is actually going? Unbelievable.